Kadence AI is making waves with organizations around the world using it as their favorite hybrid assistant for making sure that they're in the right place at the right time with the right people to do their best work. So whether it's desktop or mobile, Slack or Teams, Kadence AI is finding its way into users' workflows around the world. Grabbing that desk on the fly or perhaps that meeting room on the way back from lunch to continue that conversation that broke out over tacos. Kadence AI is my, and hopefully will soon be your, favorite hybrid assistant. And it's built with security and privacy at the forefront. Administrators can easily go into Kadence, go to our settings, and toggle Kadence AI on and off for users. I'd love to show you a little bit more about how I use it on a day-to-day basis. So let's dive right in.
First, I'm going to look at Kadence AI inside of Microsoft Teams. So I can come into chat and I can go ahead and see, okay, looks like Kevin's made a booking for today. Tanaka's made a booking for today. I'm going to go ask, how can you help me? And this is going to go and look at all the things that Kadence AI can assist me with, just like any good hybrid assistant. So create bookings, check availability, manage existing bookings, informing me about booking credits, any booking credits that I might have, working hours, some information about building, guest and visitor management, and then team booking, so booking on behalf of others. So let's go find who's going to be in the head office tomorrow. So it's going to go and look, it's going to start with my starred colleagues and perhaps look at my team. Obviously, I've got thousands of people in my organization. This isn't going to come back with a huge string of people. So let's see who's going to be in the head office tomorrow. Looks like Bryce is going to be in, Dave, Kevin, Lynn, Sophia, and all the desks and availability where they're going to be. So great. I'm working with Stephen Gowdy tomorrow. So please book me a desk next. Stephen. Tomorrow. Now, whilst that's doing that, I'm going to come over here and show you this in mobile. So you can see this is Kadence on mobile. So this is Kadence on Microsoft Teams in mobile. You can see the same prompts are now coming through in chat over here. Let's go ahead and put desk 3. And then just going to seamlessly come over here. So this is great if you're on the go, perhaps you're commuting, you're looking, perhaps even the night before, what's going to happen tomorrow? I don't know if I'm going to come in. Let's go ahead and proceed with that booking. And then I also want to get a meeting room on that same floor. So I'm going to be on the 37th floor. So let's go ahead and mobile here. What meeting rooms are available? 30 minutes. Tomorrow afternoon on that same floor. So this is going to go ahead and look through all the different meeting rooms that I've got access that are accessible to me to show some capacity, perhaps a little bit more information about it. Great. Room 5. Great. So let's go ahead and book room 5. Please invite Stephen at cadence.co. And then we're also going to invite, who should we invite here? Let's invite Elvis at presley.com. So this is going to go ahead and invite Elvis and who's outside of my organization, and it's going to invite Stephen as well. And so with inviting Elvis, this is going to go ahead and trigger our visitor management system. So our visitor management system is going to send Elvis a branded welcome to Kadence, guest Wi-Fi password, parking instructions for your Cadillac, wherever it might be for him pulling up. As well, that it's going to add it to your Outlook calendar, particularly if you're in a Microsoft environment. I'm going to put this from 1 to 1:30. Let's see. And let's go ahead and make that booking. So that is Kadence AI inside of Microsoft Teams. Just a couple examples of the way in which you can use this. So super helpful, not having to navigate the whole user interface all the time. If you want to be very quick and want to be on the go, just invoke Kadence AI to help with what you need. Next, I'd love to show you Kadence AI in Slack. So this is the Kadence bot inside of Slack. You can see all my different bookings that I've got coming up and my Kadence. I'm going to come across the messages and you can see again, Kevin's made a booking, Tanaka's made a booking. So I'm going to say, hey, book me a desk near Kevin on Thursday, please. A couple other things I can obviously ask it: what's happening where, who's going to be where and when. You might want to register a visitor. This is going to go ahead and see if there's a desk available near Kevin. Whilst that's thinking about it, I'm going to show you this on here on mobile. I'm across to Cadence in Slack. Go ahead and grab desk 4 here. And let's come across to Slack as well, and everything should be in sync nicely. Great, desk 4. And then I've also got a contractor coming in tomorrow. Yes, please. So let's imagine I'm an EA, PA, perhaps an office administrator, perhaps even a team leader. And so I have got Taylor. Taylor's coming in tomorrow. So let's come across to mobile here and say, great, book me a desk. Book me a desk for Taylor tomorrow, please. Her email address is taylorswift.com. Let's go and take a look, see if there's a desk for Taylor tomorrow. She comes in, desk 14, please. That's going to go ahead and also invite her as a visitor to that particular location. And again, as a reminder, what else can you help me with? So this is great. This is what else it can help me with. Great. And then flicking back to Teams, so you can see it all in context here. You can see the room bookings that I made for the desk bookings rather that I made for Thursday, the meeting room booking that I made for tomorrow. And now one of the things I always like to check is who from sales team is going to be in the head office tomorrow. We often hear this for different teams. It could be first aiders, fire marshals, who's going to be in to make sure that I'm meeting all the necessary local guidelines. Great. Well, here it looks like there's a few people in from this particular sales team in the head office tomorrow. Looks like it's going to be a productive day. Think of this as everybody now has their own hybrid assistant, all available inside of Slack and inside of Microsoft Teams.
We can't wait for you to start using it. Thank you so much for all those people that have been testing it over the last few months, and we're excited to see more of you using it every single day.